even though Anthropic's revenue has followed this exponential graph very predictably, it can't do that forever, right? Like, let's say it does get to 80 to 100 billion this year. Can it really get to $1 trillion in revenue the year after that? Seems hard to believe, right?
Yeah.
And the reason is because as you hit new levels of scale, you encounter new problems. I mean, you're simply going to run out of compute or electricity, data centers, infrastructure. There are physical limits, or there's limits in the physical world that you're going to hit. And there's already some evidence that Anthropic is hitting some of those limits. Users were complaining, for example, that Claude was thinking less. Did you guys see this? That a typical Claude prompt, they seem to have cut down on the thinking time by about 2/3. Now, I saw someone tweeting today that they just released Opus 4.7, replacing Opus 4.6, and the thinking is back. But maybe they're charging more for that. Hard to say. But they're going to hit some sort of physical limits. And I do wonder if over the next year, Anthropic will reconsider whether its support for all this like doomer NIMBYism was the right call, because it kind of made sense for them from a business standpoint when their competitors were building data centers and they were just getting compute from the hyperscalers. But now that they're, I think, going to have to move into the game of building their own data centers, they might regret salting the earth for data centers all over the country. And I wonder if that'll be the natural limit of their growth, is they'll be hoisted on their own petard of doomer NIMBYism.
And they're also using the coding platform to build Anthropic itself better. So that in and of itself is a reason to nail coding. You get the double whammy. You can make a better product and you can get paid for it.